Hello everyone, welcome to How Tutorials. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can write your bio on Mastodon social app. Okay, so if you want to write something about you or your ID or your account, so you can easily write this. So how can you write this? Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So you need to click on your Mastodon app. So I'm just gonna click, or you can also write it from your PC. So then go to your profile page. Here you can see the bottom right corner, this one. So click on this, and after that click your edit profile. So just click on this, and the first option is your display name. So my name is Ragib Noor, so I just put my name here, display, and the second box you can write anything about you, or you can share anything here. Okay, so just write something. I make videos, so something like this, and after that click done, and that's it. Here I make videos. It's just you can see here it's placed now. Okay friend, today's no more. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.